Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. First of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, even the settings, the search section. It does not really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. Then we will have to enter the settings. If you cannot find this icon here, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and the settings will appear right there. You can tap on it, hold it and drag it to this first section to have much faster access to it. Alright, so let's enter the settings and now we have to tap on languages which are at the top of the list. This is the list of the languages which are currently applied to the keyboard. We've got only English, so let's add something just by tapping on Add Keyboard. We will be transferred to this full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from and I'm pretty sure that you will find your language. Of course, you can scroll just like I'm doing right now, or you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. It's up to you. And after finding the language, simply tap on it. So let me pick Urdu one. Of course, choose the region if you can. And there we come to the keyboard layouts, and basically the amount of them depend on the language, because sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout and sometimes even up to 10 different keyboard layouts from which you can choose. So the variety really depends on the language. Here, in order to actually use some kind of layout, we have to mark it. So let me choose this Urdu one, just tap on it to mark it. And let me untick this option. I don't want to use this layout, but of course you can use 2 or 3 different layouts. So it's up to you. Let's tap on Done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to this list. Before I will remove the language to leave only one, which is different than the system language, I'll show you how to use the keyboard with 2 different languages added. Basically, we've got 2 differences. The first one is visible right now. It is the language key, the globe icon, which will appear next to the spacebar, and basically it allows us to change the keyboard layout. So right now we've got this English layout kind of. And after tapping on the globe icon, we've got this Urdu one. I have no idea what I've just typed here. What is more, the second difference, which is visible also right now, is the spacebar. It is not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So it is extremely useful, especially if we've got a lot of layouts which are pretty similar to each other. So we can always check which one we've got right now. Alright, so this is how to add the language to keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove the language if you want to leave only one language which is, for example, different than the system one. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to delete. I will remove Urdu as I want to use English one. And tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can also see that we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.